Okay, I just want to make sure everyone has the right rubric. So it could be that maybe some of you have an old rubric that didn't get updated. I'm not sure where there was an error. So I'm going to go into my courses and I'm going to go into 064. And this is where I had loaded it already in a previous video. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this in case you have issues. And I'm going to go down. And right here in the rubric, I've already attached this. This is an assignment I already made in the previous video. But do you guys see here right where it says edit? And so if for some reason you have the same issue that Robert had, are you guys okay on here? You can change it to 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then hit submit. And then it should be fine. So if for some reason there's an issue, I think there was a typo that I noticed and we got corrected, but when they were loading it into all the sections or fixing it, maybe for some reason it didn't get loaded into everybody's. But so if you're like Robert where you have these reversed, all you have to do is edit it into 4, 3, 2, 1 and hit submit. All right, that's all I wanted to show you. All right, bye-bye.